My name is Jay Nawawi. I discovered the Sparkbox apprenticeship opportunity when reading Blacks in Technology's website. At this point, I am learning HTML as a part of my web development journey, which allows me to create static websites and ensure that they display images, text in the right color with different fonts. Next, I will learn JavaScript. JavaScript is actually pretty interesting compared to the languages that I learned in college and in grad school because when I play with it and add JavaScript to the websites that I've created, they all of a sudden become fun. They all of a sudden look like something I would ask my friends and family to take a look at. The HTML websites are amazing to learn and to even see some things online, as opposed to the Java and C++ programs I've created, which bring up a black screen of information that is useful, but it's also on a black screen that my friends and family may not want to test for me. In any case, JavaScript all of a sudden, I believe, will impress someone. When I learn it better, it's going to take information, change it, and store it. And the question 4 asks me, how will I improve and continue learning JavaScript? I'm going to learn the way I've learned almost everything in my entire life. I'm going to meet people who know it well. I'm going to practice with them, and we're going to learn from each other. Here in Los Angeles, I'm grateful because we have meetups, and I can go to meetups, show people what I've done, and we give and take information. I help debug their projects, they help debug mine, and we tell each other when there are events that will help us grow and learn more about different languages like JavaScript. Now, also to grow, I have gone to one-day workshops. I've used W3 online, which actually breaks up JavaScript into simple concepts to learn, like what is a variable and what is a function, why you shouldn't use a global variable as opposed to a local one. So there are many resources on the web, videos on YouTube, classes on Udacity. However, I enjoy learning with people, and even after I read something, I enjoy exchanging that information, which helps me remember it better and also helps me take advantage of their lessons learned and ensure that any lessons I've learned aren't repeated. So next, I'm going to dive into security. It's really great that my websites are going to be interactive and accept information and allow users to modify their information to display what the results are. However, I'm very aware now that for a user to give me anything or input anything in my websites, I've got to ensure that it's private and it meets the most up-to-date requirements for security. And one, this is for them to trust me to refer my websites to others. But two, it's the right thing to do. Three, I would hate for anyone in my team to be liable for their information or misuse of that, which is definitely opposite from my goals, why I would like to be a web developer. And security would allow me to ensure that everyone that views my websites is impressed by how beautiful they are, excited about how interactive they are, how accurate any interactive portion is where I give data or how efficient it is when they need to input data and receive a response. And then they'll also be incognizant of the security issue because it will be secure. They won't have to fear it, and they'll just happily use my website without concern. And trust me, I look forward to becoming an amazing developer, to reaching my potential and sharing this with others because others have helped me reach this point in my career, and I'm sure others will help me reach the next point in my career. Similarly, I'm going to share this information. I'm looking forward to hearing from someone at Sparkbox and telling you all how excited I am. Thank you.